Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable VPN on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now, when you're enabling VPN, first thing you might have a specific private VPN, or you may be using an app to do it. Here, I'm going to show you on the app, but you can also do it with a private VPN as well. So generally, if you go to the App Store and then search for VPN, the search page, there are a ton of VPNs, of course. Some are popular than more. Some are paid, some are free. You can take a look at it and get your favorite one. There's no one that I'm recommending, but it's up to you what you pick. Now, so you're going to start by going into your setting and then go to General. And then from there on, you can go ahead and find the VPN setting. If you go down here with VPN and device management, and right here up top is where you can add a VPN configuration. So if you tap on that, it's going to by default allow you to ask basically if you have a private one or one that you have the server name and ID and your username and password. You can use that to set that up and then set up the type you have. Now, if you don't have this, don't worry. This is where I mentioned you can actually get an app that has a VPN on it. There's tons of VPN app as well. So I'm going to show you on one of them how this would work. If you don't have your own private one, you would go ahead and open up the app itself. For example, this one allows me to choose basically a location. There are free ones and the paid ones. As you can see here, you can toggle on. Of course, paid ones are going to be a little bit faster. So for example, if I want to change it to this location for VPN, I can do that. And then from there on, I would just click on connect, and then you will need to allow the configuration so that the app can add the configuration to your settings. So you would allow passcode. So I'm going to enter my pass. And then once you allow that, as you can see here, the VPN will start, and now we're ready to configure it, and it's connected and ready to go. And you can see up top here is the VPN that's been enabled. So I can go back to my settings, go ahead and see, and then I can see it is connected and using this VPN. If you ever want to remove this, you can click on icon and delete it as well. Or if you just wanted to disable it, you can turn it off as well. And then go back, and you can see here, we can go back. We have a VPN option now. If I ever wanted to enable it, I can go ahead and enable it. You may also need to go through the app to set it up, and you see VPN is working. So that's how you enable VPN on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.